With his permission, sir, only one thing, sir.
Your point we have well taken.
Sir, it depends on some district, some states, sir. Bihar suppose 44 district. We have 23 district. Now SDM is depends on the district wise. Now whatever we have the strength, we have included all. We are cooperating to them all. Micro.
To provide class 2 group.
Yes, we have given, sir. Whatever they are,
Alright.
we have given. But they are telling
All right. Please.
what I don't believe.
I think we will be able to find out a practical solution.
Very well.
On Monday, when we take up this matter, we are granting them 2 days time to have instructions based upon all the notes and information which you have gathered.
Very well.
And you also on Monday, please give us the list of the group B officers which you are in a position to spare
Yes.
and to provide to them for their
Furnish it in
assistance.
advance.
So that
And your lordships may list that matter also because
Yes.
there is direct bearing on that.
ICT.
There is an atmosphere of hostility. Election Commission says.
And it contains all our communication
Yes,
to the
but with
government.
the written
Trying for
communication
help.
issued contemporaneous.
issue notice.
Lords, I have
just-
one apprehension, that's all I have. I don't want Mr. Dwivedi coming on Monday and saying, now we have finished 1.2 crore hearings as a figment of his.
It's all right.
Numbers.
We are entitled to our defense.
That's what you said.
That's an ongoing exercise that will continue.
Sir, only my last submission, sir. Sir, what about they have only first place 58 lakhs deleted. They didn't have any scope to appeal even Form 6. Number 2, the second place, 1 crore 30 lakhs. Only my request would be, whatever the system is maintaining the other state, they are only targeting Bengal. Only for Bengal, they appointed these micro observers.
Not the forum, military.
Yes,
Platform.
for to bulldoze the West Bengal people. Sir, my humble submission will be, sir, the logical discrepancy case not to be deleted. And there should be, as it is, it should be cleared by the DO and the ERO, not with the micro observer, not with the roll observers.
Well, they as well see your lordship's directions on the last occasion.
Give us the list of the officers whom you can spare.
Yes.
Whom you can spare.
Yes.
Probably, once the officers are made available,
Yes.
then micro observer will not be
May
required.
not be necessary. Absolutely.
Will
Yes,
will
yes.
Yes,
You
absolutely.
can do it.
whatever the
And
role
on
they
Monday
are
itself,
playing.
we are taking up the matter on Monday. Meanwhile, they will also get instructions and you also give us that list.
Very well.
Mr. Diwan, please ask your junior to give
Yes.
complete set of paper book.
Of course.
In both matters will.
Both matters. And in Mr. Gopal's matter,
To item
he-
37.
he
Yes.
very learned in
Sir, with my humble regards, I convey my great regards
personal fame.
and I will just tell, save democracy.
1 minute, madam.
Joy
Save
was
democracy.
fun.